Hello friends, today's video is about Pictory review. Yes friends, today we will give a topic about the review of Pictory. So friends, let's start the video. So firstly we open the Google Chrome browser. Here you can simply write Trustpilot. Write simply Trustpilot. This is the website name after which we can review Pictory. Then click on the Trustpilot website. Here you can search. Simply write the name Pictory. Name of the website, any website you can find here. Here 72 reviews are here friends and 4.4 here. So click on the Pictory.ai. So here is the friends. It is come. You can see that 5-star reviews are 74%, 4-star reviews are 21%, and 1-star reviews are more or less. So this is a legit website. You can use it for scripts to video, for YouTube videos. You can earn money from this. You can voice over from this website. So friends, this is a legit website. So here's the reviews today. So friends, here's someone's review that he writes, I highly recommend Pictory.ai. So this is a best review ever. Date of experience 18 January, 2 days ago. So this is the best website. You can use it and earn money. Script to video, script to audio, also other videos for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So friends, if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. I am from Pakistan.